Yo, guys. It started. I was doing some quick changes, stuff. Damn. And to the second candle. Um, this is kind of like a level. I feel like it's gonna pass. Ooh, oh, shit! Oh my! Damn! Oh my god! Fuck this shit. Yeah, it's gonna reject from that level. $0.08 from what the fuck? That shit slow as shit. Never mind. What the hell's going on to Vivio? Oh, Vebozo. Went from $11 all the way to 12, which is a whole dollar, which is pretty awesome. I mean, it's not really that bullish to be honest, yo. Yosh. This one was clapped. I wouldn't trade this one, guys. Let's see where. No, it's not a halt. I mean, low key, it makes. Damn, what the fuck? Why the fuck this shit's in a halt? What the fuck? This shit isn't a halt. What the hell? Damn, it keeps hitting that level. It keeps rejecting. I get it. This isn't a halt. No, man. This is what the. What is this, guys? What the fuck is this, a halt or not? Either way, let's. If it isn't, right, let's mark levels. Right. This is the goal zone. There is another level right here that might take. I'm gonna put a light blue one. We usually put these. Just this one here. Light blue is like kind, just be careful. It's around $7. This is stock like almost gonna break, bro. But we don't know. We don't know. Oh shit! What the fuck? That's a crazy amount of volume. Oh my god. Let me see. Oh, bro, it was a fake out. Alright. Back to this one. Damn, that's like 45, right? Hell no, hold on. Like 15. Is that good? It's like 25, right? Yes. Nah, pretty good. But usually this will shrink up though. If this was a halt, this will like go away. But another candle has not shown up. So it isn't a halt because another candle will show up right after the 39. We're looking at every other different stock right now. None of them are really doing nothing crazy. 43 to 50. That's actually pretty crazy if it goes up that high. But that's if like so many rejections. Damn. Like, I got instant after that big fucking push down. So where did I get in? 277? 262? So a little bit below on this line. Not bad. And then it took me out. Well, they didn't even broke that high, man. It did halted, but it was a shitty call, bro. I should have looked up here. Josh didn't even pick up that much volume. That's a volume of PHP. Oh fuck, is that a P or F? Oh no, I think it's a FTC H. Oh. Why is that so much wrong? I just hit the low day. Where's my scanner? There's like a scanner right here and it just went. Anyways, lost another 30 bands. But keep in mind, guys, I don't mind. And what I mean by that, as you know, please understand what I mean by this, is that there's a learning. We're gonna look back to it and see what the did we do wrong. Let's see. I'm gonna go. What is this? 30 bands. Oh hell no. Clear. Just the negative 30.56. Is it? Yeah. Damn, it was one. I mean, a dip on. Bro. Bro, that shit popped and then fucking sing, bro. Like, how much volume was this system? Oh, that's probably why. It didn't make sense, bro. It was like a lot of volume. How much volume was this one? 94? Yeah, what the fuck? That's probably why it didn't do it remotely as crazy as we thought it was gonna do it. But let me like backtrack you a little bit right here. The other trade that we were gonna take was this one right here, because it shot up crazy, bro. You saw that? All the way to 321, bro. That's 40 cents move crazy. Made no sense, man. And then of course it rejected, and then it came back to this level right here, 280, all the way to, it was kind of resisted 291. That wouldn't be not that bad of a trade, but I was focusing on the breakout, bro. I was like, oh shit, like we have a stock that's halted to the upside, boom. But what I came to realize, man, is like you gotta be careful with these, man. Good thing I got out and I didn't lose as much money. But yeah, this is still struggling. I'm telling you, it's struggling to get to 329. That's the next level it needs to get out, so we can aim to maybe up to here to 65 and shit. But yeah, then I'm telling you, the one stock that I was looking at was also well versed. So I was like, all right, keep rejecting from this level 43. We could wait to see if it moves up to 48 or something like that, and that's a pretty good sense move. But nah, bro, I was like choosing the breakout because I was like, look, there's a breakout coming on. Usually these explode crazy, but nah, I didn't. Other than that, that's it, man. I guess we're getting off today. I don't think I have any capital. But even if I do, should I use that gang? Oh yeah, I do have enough bands to place another trade, but nah. But nah, you feel me? We're gonna keep that capital. And plus, there's no other trades that are looking good. Like, so we're gonna just take that loss type shit. And then we're gonna look back at our replay. Yeah, I got 677. Bro, look how that stop loss saved me. Look how that stop loss saved me. That's why it's so important to have stop loss. About right there, assuming it was gonna aim higher. and then it jigs me out, and then it just flushes. And I'm like, holy shit. And so stop losses, guys, are so fucking important. They're super fucking important. Make sure you have them, because if you don't, it can cost you a lot of bans. Luckily, I had one. I lost 30, which is nothing too crazy, not too bad. And you know what I'm saying? We move on. But yes, man. Now let's hold on. Let's talk about what we did. What we did right. Like, to be what we did right, what we did wrong. So we're in a halt, man. I'm really anticipating the break, and I'm like, okay, look. Obviously, we have buyers in a halt. I think this is where they were a little bit scary. I think a lot of people didn't see this. Is it opened at the same area where the last candle did. And usually, if it's very bullish, usually if it's a big, like, people are buying the stock, it'll give a gap. You know what I'm saying? And usually what I do with that gap, I like it to get filled. I get in on that gap right there, great, and then towards the upside. So I think now we know this a little bit more. It's like, first of all, we gotta see the past volume and where's it. If the gap was pretty big, like say it gapped up to here, and then filled it gapped up, and then there was like a little gap right here, whatever, like say like right here, and it was up. I'm overthinking, but if there was a gap, if you guys understand what a gap is, good. If not, search it up, my boy. But if there was a gap, right, I'll wait for that gap to get filled and then continue to the upside. But we didn't see that here. What we saw basically was it opened at the same level, it dipped down a little bit, and then it continued higher a little bit, and then it went against us quick. And that's when it just dropped. And I guess that makes sense, man. When something's not a lot of volume, first of all, the previous candle was not a lot of volume. It opened, I think one of the most, I think the volume was high, and it opened right exactly where it was, right here. That's not that's not a good indicator that it's gonna continue even higher. I don't believe so. So there we go. We learned something new. So if we get in a stock, say a little bit late, that is gapping, right? I mean, there's in a halt, my bad. We want to see a gap. And then we want to get into that fill that gap to continue even higher. But yeah, but this is a learning lesson. I don't think this is a bad trade, because I was thinking like, oh, it's like what I usually see is like it has a big run, right? It does a little pullback, and then it's gonna break the 66.68. And I got into that pullback and then onto that break. That'd be great, but this wasn't gonna go any higher though. So that's what I was anticipating, but nah, I got in around right. I got in actually up here because what's it called? Slippage, right? The stock went fast, so I got up here and then it went against me, and then I got out. But yeah, man, that is noted. If a stock is in a halt and we don't get inside the halt round, unfortunately, we're gonna have to wait till it makes a gap and retraces back to fill that gap back, right? And then continue higher. That's what I feel is the safest when trading. Sometimes it might just rip up in gaps and it keeps ripping up. That's fine, but we can't trade those because, like I said, we're not used. Those are really risky. We like pullbacks because we're minimizing our risk a little bit more. I'm not pullback. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I learned actually a lot here, and even when I fucking seen it when I was trading, I still was like, that's kind of weird. But let's just see, right? What if it does rip? But that comes to show, man. But other than that, man, I'll tell you, we keep our rules, we keep our stop loss. That's why I told you, man, stop loss is so fucking important. Make sure you keep them in the fucking trade, bro. Because you guys don't understand how important stop loss are. Really, 84. Okay, I did it right. 84, 83, 82, 81. 80, okay. I'm in order. But I'm telling you guys, stop loss are very fucking important. Please, for the love of Bob, put those stop loss, man. And the reason why I say this is because, look, I went I traded I traded pre-market, right? You guys saw that. I still had the video up. I traded the pre-market for the first time. I was like, dude, it's very volatile. It opens around 6. Like stocks move crazy up. And we get like a crazy, like, you know what I'm saying, cash. But what I realized is that you could only buy the bid and ask. That's it. So you only can use limit orders. Which is not bad. That's not the problem I had. But the problem I did have where it was that you can't have a stop loss. At least in where thing is, I couldn't create a stop loss. You saw I tried to use a bracket. It didn't let me use it, so I was like, damn, like it doesn't let me use a bracket now. What? Like I'm looking kind of fucked. Like, you know what I'm saying? But the good thing about it is, you know what I'm saying. The good thing. But yeah, I'll tell you, that was one good thing. Like the pre-market, I traded one time, and I was gonna be like, oh, let me give it 2 weeks. But I realized, like, nah, I do not want to trade something that doesn't give me that now allows me to have a stop loss, and it's just very risky. Like a mental stops, trust me, guys, this is a little bit harder, man. And trust me, I did it. That's what I first started doing, and it just cost me more money than I should have. I'm telling you, stop loss are your best friend. Make sure to keep them, bro. I'm telling you guys, stop loss are your best friends. Not stop loss. Your stop, basically. Your stop. Stop loss, basically. Your stop loss, having a stop loss is your best friend, bro. I'm telling you guys. In case if it goes against you, you know, like perfect example today. You saw, man. Look, it got me out right when the fucking huge fucking rip was gonna happen in the bottom. So I would have had my order sitting there in case it was gonna go against me. And boom. I'm telling you guys, it's super important because if you had that mental stop and then you're trying to get out, it would be too late and it would just go against you really quick, and boom, now you lost even more money than you should have. Luckily, I got out where I needed to get out, and you know, I'm good, bro. I'm good. And yeah. So there you go, man. Have a stop loss. Don't worry, guys. My strategy is always getting improvement. Like I said, I'm figuring things out all the fucking time. Like I said, I like playing levels. That's my favorite thing. Levels, key levels, my shit, bro. I'm telling you guys. For me, I love it. I'm only learning more, and I'm continuing to keep learning. And yeah, man, I'm excited where it comes to come. I think what I'm gonna do, I have to watch more videos because momentum trading is really about key levels, to be honest. Looking for pullbacks. You want to see a pull up from a level to continue even higher. Boom, boom, boom. It's a lot of shit, man. I'm telling you. But I do want to go hit the books a little bit more. Like I said, I don't hit the books a lot, guys. Because I'm going to be honest, man. I'm gonna be honest, man. All I used to do, man. And I think I said this plenty of times, but you guys going to hear it again. You feel me? It's basically, man, like from sophomore. Wait, what wasn't for sophomore? Was it the summer of sophomore? I'm pretty sure, yeah. I think it was a year of sophomore. Basically, what I'm trying to say, bro, around 2021, right? Around 2021, bro. What's it, like 2 years ago and stuff. What's it called? I just study, bro. Like literally, I mean study. Like, because I found out about the market freshman year at my high school, right? I learned about stocks, and then all that crazy shit, GME and all that shit started popping off and stuff. So I started, like, get to know what the fuck was going on and stuff. You know, I took a class for business, and then we learned about stocks, and I got really interested into it. You know, I fell in love about, you know, the market, bro. I was like, stock market, shit. I started to raise it up. But, yeah, man, like, and what I'm going with this is basically, once I figured it out, I did so much research, man. I'm pretty sure this is a stream that I'll show you guys how many videos I watched, and it was a ton. I used to basically grab a paper and write down what I need to learn. I wrote like 10 different things. So it was like, learn was level 2, learn was sales and shit, right? The times and sales, and I put all that shit. I'm being for real. I put all that shit up on how to read time and sales. How to see VWAP, what is the 9 EMA, how to read level bars, like level volume bars. My bad, but I'm still fucking kind of sick, so I'm still kind of bozo-ish language right now. But what I'm trying to say is, I literally studied for so long, and that can only do so much for you guys. And I noticed that I just been. I just did. What's it called? Analysis paralysis. I think it was called analysis paralysis. So basically, what that means is like all you do is research, but you never put that into action. And I'm telling you guys, when you put things into action, man, it's a lot more harder than you think it is, man. When you learn something, I'm not gonna lie, it is better than fucking going, balls deep. But you know what I'm saying, like without learning any previous information, way better to have some information than go into the market. But I'm telling you guys, don't be in that paralyzed analysis paralysis, because to be honest, guy, like, you know what I'm saying, that is not gonna teach you as much as it's gonna be actually trading. Like I'm saying, I learned so much more by actually trading than just studying and, you know what I'm saying, watching YouTube videos, reading books and stuff. And then actually, I'm not gonna lie, those help, guys. I'm not gonna lie, those things help, but nothing's gonna help you more than actually doing it. So I recommend, man, you don't even have to try it live. This is what I say. I started doing paper trading, but I couldn't do it because of school and stuff. But to be honest, guys, if you could open a live account, I say do it, but do it with a little bit, like $50, man, $50, $100 at most. You know what I'm saying? $50 to $100 at most, man. And the reason why I personally say open a live account instead of a paper trading account, because you get all those emotions, because you're trading real money. When you're trading paper money, that's not actual real money, so you kind of really know that behind your head. So you're like, oh, if I lose, it's not real. But if you trade with a live account with that $100 that you put in and you lose, you'll feel that. You're like, oh shit, like this is so, I really lost X amount of money. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, man, I do believe trading a live account is way better than trading a paper trading account. If you're gonna trade a live account just with a little bit of money, like tiny, you don't even need a lot. I'm telling you, $50, man, you can get away with $20 to be honest if you wanted to. But I would recommend 50 to 100 because, you know, it's a middle ground, and that's strictly just for learning. I'm telling you, if you lose 50, $100, it's okay. You just learn. You just, you know, put another 50, another $100, and learn again and keep learning. I think the best way of learning, to be honest, this industry, man, is to learn, watch some videos. You only need 3 things that I noticed from the industry. You need a strategy, a risk management, a plan, and trading psychology. That's all you really need, guys. And I'm being 100% honest. But it's not easy, bro. Obviously, man, it's not easy at all, bro. It's like you need to learn little things by little. Like you gotta break down what's trading psychology. You gotta break down what's your strategy. You gotta break down what your plan. You gotta break down risk management. But risk management, to be honest, is one of the most important. I'm not gonna lie. I say this is the one you should really. They are important, but the really 2 most important that I think personally is trading psychology and risk management. I'm telling you guys, those are the 2 most fucking important shit that you can fucking learn. And yeah, bro, don't get the trading plan, don't get the strategy and the trading plan are important as well. Don't get me wrong, guys, it is. But you can have the best strategy in the whole entire world, guys. You know what I'm saying? But if you have a shitty risk management and day trading psychology, that shit is not gonna fucking plan out. If I was gonna give you guys a rundown, I'd say first learn day trading psychology. Get your mindset right, man. Get your head right. Screw that fucking, screw your head in, man. I'm telling you, that's probably one of the most important, but one of the hardest things to fucking achieve, man. I'm telling you, I barely started like getting a taste of like, getting better with my emotions when trading. Because you guys saw, man, when I traded earlier today, man, even today before I go back. So when I early my trading career, right, you guys saw around my beginning of my I need to sneeze. The early in my training career, man, dude, I have terrible training psychology. I was scared to get in. I would lose a ton of money now. Like, oh shit, I don't want to get in because I can lose so much money, and then I'll miss an opportunity. Then there you go, the stock goes up, and I'm like, fuck, now I'll miss that opportunity. And that was all your like that's all your psyche, man. That's all your brain. You're literally stopping yourself from taking an opportunity because you think it's gonna go against you because of your previous experiences. So that's what happened. That's what fucked me up. So I was like, fuck, dude. And I was losing a lot. I didn't have a fucking and the reason why was that is because my risk management was shit. I was so I had to like I will lose only 1% of my account, right? But nah, that was my thing. Like my risk manager, I'll lose 1% account, but I didn't have a automated stop loss. I was doing mental stop. So I'll be like, fuck, I have a mental stop. I can stop myself from hitting my stop loss. Hell fucking no, man. I did not stop myself from fucking doing that shit. I fucking did everything, all the bad shit in the that all beginning day traders do, man. I'm still am a beginner, but I did all that terrible shit, bro. I fucking hold the traders, hold the losses longer because I was hoping it was gonna come up. You know what I'm saying? Hoping it was gonna come up. Eventually, that never fucking happened, so I lost even more fucking money, right? What else? FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. I saw stock shooting up, so I was like, oh shit, I need to get in because if I don't, I'm gonna miss the whole move. Boom, I get in, it goes against me because I didn't get in a level or a certain area that I'd be comfortable getting in, you know. So there you go. That's another one. There's a lot of different fucking psychology. That psychology, man. I'm telling you. That's why I recommend people, if you want to learn about psychology, read my trading coach. My trading coach. Oh, how to be. I don't have the book, but it's in there. I think it's called how to be your own trading coach. I believe that what it is, but and then if not, search what I say. I'm pretty sure something will come up. But yeah, man, I'm telling you, psychology is one of the most important concepts. One of the most important things when it comes to trading, man. If not the most important. You have to get a good mindset. You got to be very disciplined. You know what I'm saying? You know, you just got to keep your emotions in check. You got to understand it's money, bro. Just understand you did if you did your part, you're good. Don't fucking do what I did, right? Keep your losses bigger, right? Don't keep your, so all this I had to learn, bro. And it's fucking crazy because it's like, fuck, bro. I low key, I'm not gonna lie, when I did my research and all that, I was like, bro, look, I got this down, bro. Low key, I'm gonna start making bank because, you know what I'm saying, I've been doing research for like hella long, bro. Like I would have like around like a year, almost 2 years of like learning, like reading books, watching YouTube videos. Like I'm good, bro. Have fucking no, my fucking journey, like I'm telling you, that's what I'm telling you. Like it only can do so much for you. The research. Hell no, but y'all saw that shit, bro. I'm documenting basic all my trading journey right now. I fucking recorded from the day one, the first time I ever opened my day trading account, to the first time I ever traded. You know what I'm saying? Fucking ass. I'm being 100% straight fucking garbage of a fucking trading that I did, man. I it barely started delivering a little bit better and better. I'm telling you, with day 84, man, day 84, which is fucking amazing. 84, right, or 83? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 84, but pretty much day 84, man. That's fucking absolutely insane, bro. From day one, huge improvement, man. Imagine when we get to day, 200, 300, bro. Like all I'm gonna be learning is to keep learning more and more and more. Like I'm telling you guys, and this is all what is it about, man. It's all about the journey, bro. I'm telling you guys, I'm actually glad that I'm able to learn because that only means I'm getting a step closer to what I'm trying to achieve, right? Which is become a profitable trader, profitable day trader. And I'm telling you guys, you gotta take these losses and you gotta just take them not as like putting you down and stuff, but you gotta take it as a learning lesson. I feel like, and that's what I've been doing, and honestly, it just fucking works out for the best for me. And yeah, man, I'm telling you, today I lost money today and yesterday, bro. Today and yesterday, yeah, today and yesterday. But you know what I'm saying? But that's just because, you know what I'm saying, that's what trading is about. Some days you're gonna make money, some days you're not. And most definitely in the beginning, man, I'm telling you, I have more losses than I do winners. But what I notice is when you keep your losers small and you keep your winners big, you end up winning in the end. And that's why I'm telling you, I'm winning. I'm okay losing $30 a trade. That I am comfortable with that. And remember, keep that in mind, guys. I am comfortable losing this X amount of money for every trade. So let that sink in. Because if you're not comfortable with what you're willing to lose, then don't trade it. Lower your size position, guys. I'm telling you guys, because I've been going through it and I'm still learning from this, and I might even make the same mistakes again, right? But if you keep, reminding yourself, and you keep telling yourself, hey, let's not keep doing the same mistake we keep continue doing, you can stop yourself from making that same mistake again and again. So it's really important, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's super important. I'm telling you guys, man, I'm like you guys, bro. I'm telling you, bro, I fucking figured out trading when I was a fucking teenager. Still am a teenager, right? But like back in so back in freshman year, loved it all the way through my senior year. And now, I graduated and I still fucking love it to death. So it comes to show you, man, like, this, if you really want to make it, you have to make it yourself. You can never quit. And the funny thing is, because I feel like every trader have this mindset, man. Well, not mindset, but everyone have this idea, like, damn, what if I quit? Like, what if I, there's no point no more. Like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like everyone had that at least at once in their, maybe trading career or, their journey and stuff. You're like, fuck, especially in the beginning, I was like, fuck, bro. I should really fucking, I was like, I'm still young. I'm still in school. I could always change careers. I could look and just leave this. This is looking kind of hard, man. I don't think I'm gonna make it, bro. Not a lot of people can do this consistently and make money. So I'm like, fuck. I don't know if I should be continuing doing this. But that just puts you in a really bad mindset, and then it puts you in it really you know what I'm saying? It really demotivates you, really putting you in a bad place in trading. And it's like, fuck, bro. That could really be your last. Fuck. That's it. I'm not trading anymore. I'm done. Yeah, and I think everyone has it, but luckily, I'm so glad, I'm so proud of myself that I was to stick through it and say, fuck it, I'm not giving up. I started, I'm for sure gonna fucking finish it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not giving up until I make it. Until I become a profit trader, I'm not quitting. You know what I'm saying? So basically, that's the mindset you gotta have, man. I'm telling you guys, to keep strong, bro. I'm telling you, bro, it's worth it, bro. I'm telling you guys, you are gonna lose a lot of money. Well, depending on what you consider a lot of money, right? But you are gonna lose money. In general, everyone's gonna lose money. Every day trader lose money. It's just part of trading. You might lose a lot in the beginning. You might lose a little bit. You might lose nothing at all. It depends on the person. Everyone's different. But I'm telling you, losing is part of trading. Did I say you might not lose nothing? No, that's a cap. You're gonna lose. You for sure gonna lose fucking money. You know what I'm saying? You're for sure gonna lose fucking money. But that's okay. If you keep your risk management right, you'll be fine. But you also have to learn how to keep your emotion. You got to understand. Okay, I lost this money, but it wasn't by stick with my rules. I didn't let that loss get even bigger. Maybe I should have. So you really have to, keep a good mindset, man. It is fucking stressful. I'm not gonna lie. My heart used to race, and I'm talking race, bro. To my heart was fucking beating every single time I got in a trade. It doesn't happen as much anymore, but it definitely was bad in the beginning. Every single time I get my heart would race. I'm I'm telling you, I'm hyper fading. I was like, shit. My adrenaline was high, my stress levels were high, my excitement was high. Everything was high, bro. Everything. And now it's a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie, I still get fucking excited, a little bit less nervous, not more of excitement, but I'm able to cool down because I'm in the trade. I'm just looking. Let's say I'm just focused. I just look at the charts. I look what's going on. Look at level 2. Look at time to sales. I stay focused and I stay clear minded. I have a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. There's sometimes that I a little tweak. Sometimes I tweak a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was the beginning, right? In the beginning, I was fucking oh my god, but you guys were here, bro. I'm telling you, you guys are here. My heart was racing. I was basically freaking out like a fucking little ass girl, bro. And yeah, I was able to make it better, get a better rate, better at calming down and stuff. And now, I'm better now. I'm better to really, calm my emotions. And yeah, man, I'm telling you, it only gets better, bro. You show up every single day. You learn from your mistakes. You're only gonna get better. I'm telling you, straight up. That's literally what it is. That's a secret of fucking. That's a secret, bro. Of just keep getting better, which can lead to success. I'm telling you guys. If you show up every day, all right. If you show every day, and you learn from your mistakes, you will become better. That's simply is what it is, man. Show up every day, learn from your mistakes, and day by day you're gonna get better and better. It's gonna get easier and easier, and you're gonna just feel You're gonna feel 100%. I said a lot 100, but yeah, man. On that, man, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna be a little motivational. You feel me? Get your guys hype up, bro. I'm telling you, the New Year's coming, man. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. I feel like Christmas is coming too. You know what I'm saying? Is it weird that I like New Year's more than like Christmas? Don't get me wrong. I love Christmas too, bro. You know what I'm saying? But New Year's, I just feel like everyone, even though it's just all in your head, right? It's just propaganda. I'm like, oh, it's a fresh start, which it really is not, man. Let's be honest, bro. It really is not a fresh start, but it definitely does make you feel like it is, bro. So you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. Just because I'm like, damn, bro, like. The reason why I like that, right, is because you get to see your previous years, how you improve, or what you didn't improve, and it's just good to look back. I'm telling you, every year you should keep seeing where you're at and see how much you improve, or if you didn't improve, what can you improve, or how can you get better. That's why I like every New Year's, because you get to see from your previous years of how you spend those years and how you improve them, right? But yeah, man. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here, guys, for sure, man. I'm telling you, we took a trade, didn't go our way. It's okay, man. We'll come back tomorrow, ready for another trading day. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Thursday. Yeah, see you.